My mind and body ease into perfect synchronicity every morning. My body as a creative expression of my mind, thoughts, habits, and emotions, and my mind as the guardian of my body. They hold equal value for me, and I open myself to listen to both mind and body as I move towards a fully integrated and healthy whole in every aspect of my being. I am the loving operator of my mind and body. I am willing to release any pattern in my consciousness that has created any physical condition currently expressed in my body. I open to rediscovering optimum health in mind and body in every single moment, both waking and sleeping. I am also willing to release any obsessive thoughts or anxiety regarding any physical expression in my body, in complete trust that by listening to my body and mind and honoring my inner knowing and wisdom, I am already purposefully healing in every moment. As I honor my body honors me by supporting my dreams and goals with physical strength, flexibility, and resilience. As I become even more aware of my energy creation mind tool, I choose to notice the imagery, feelings, and thoughts that create feelings of well-being, health, stretch, and flow, and I accept those freely and with complete gratitude. I open myself to love at the deepest level whilst recognizing this begins and emits from me. It is completely safe for me to express who I am at every level and in any way that feels right for me. I am creative and artful expression in motion. As I now discover how wonderful I am, I choose to love and enjoy myself. I choose to acknowledge that when my body presents illness, pain, or injury, I may not have listened to the inner teaching and message from my body and mind, and commit to pay more attention on a daily basis. I remind myself that my real wisdom comes from listening at every level, and acting on this awareness will allow me to live my life free of pain or injury and in a constant state of energetic growth and expansion. I also know that an unhealthy mind can have a detrimental impact on my physical body, and I choose to commit to multiplying healthy, supportive, and nourishing thoughts. Just as my mind benefits from relaxation and recovery, I acknowledge that my body also benefits from time to relax and heal. And as I choose to notice what my body needs and deliver care and nurture to serve those needs, I realize I am breeding the physical energy of a stallion inside. As I give to my body gives back to me. And for that, I love my body and I am totally at peace with it, just as it is in this moment. I know I am worthwhile and it is safe for me to succeed. Life loves me and I am totally safe. My life flows in ever joyous now. The more I collaborate with my body, the more connection I feel between mind, body, and soul. I have a greater awareness of the energies flowing at any given moment, my circadian rhythm, and the peaks and troughs in my energy flow. I can access my energy reserves at will and feel the impact of the grounding energy of my barefoot toes pressing into the earth. I rejoice in who I am. I am a beautiful expression of life, flowing perfectly at all times. And so I choose to wake up every morning and pay attention to my mind. I consider the ideas, beliefs, imagery, feelings, and awareness present in that moment. I choose to redirect my thoughts towards stillness and positive imagery. I can focus on my breathing in order to create a peaceful space to construct the most suitable foundation on which to build my day. And as I focus on my breath, I can turn my ears to hear the inner messages from my body. As I access my energy flow, ground myself into the present moment and breathe life into my expressive physical being. With the love and care a parent pays to their child, I commit to nurture my body towards prime health and optimum performance. I can feel my heart beating to the rhythm of love and joy. I breathe freely and fully as I trust the process of life. All is well. I commit to listen to my mind and body working towards a greater level of synchronicity and collaboration on a daily basis. I will stretch, exercise, flex, and nourish my mind and body at the chemical, energetic, and physical level in a joyous and purposeful way that reminds me I am completely alive every single day. I release, I relax, and I let go of any fear or other idea that is out of alignment with my trusting awareness that I am safe and completely supported by life. As I become more of my true self in every moment, my mind and body ease into complete collaboration.